Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer tickets on TickPick. All right, so let's begin with the video. To transfer tickets on TickPick, first wait for the transfer email. After purchasing, you'll receive two crucial emails around the in-hand date: a tickets are ready for delivery email and a transfer invitation from the ticketing platform, for example, Ticketmaster, AXS, or SeatGeek. Second, accept and access the tickets. Open the email, click the Accept Tickets button or link, and log in or create your account on the specified platform using the same email you used for TickPick. The tickets will then appear in your account's My Events or My Tickets section. Third, initiate the ticket transfer. Once tickets are in your account, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for Transfer Tickets or Send Tickets or something similar. This button is usually adjacent to each event. Then, send to a recipient. Provide the recipient's full name and email address, then click Send or Transfer. There's no fee for transferring electronic or mobile tickets. The recipient then receives an email. They must click the Accept Tickets link, log in on the same platform with their email, and then access the tickets in their account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer tickets on TickPick. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.